We didn't see anything. I hope इसके अंदर कांच नहीं है, मैंने कांच नहीं डाला. It opens from this side. Oh my god. इतने ऑर्गेनाइजर्स का क्या करेंगे? You know what this is? This is the IKEA 3. Obviously, I'm not going to build it in front of you. Do you like those videos where you build all of this? We are nowhere near. ये क्या है? ये बहुत heavy है. Let's just open it ऊपर ही open करके देखती हूँ मैं ये क्या है. Oh! Those were my clothes which I want to give to H&M. उसमें कुछ नया नहीं है जो तुम लोग को दिखा सकते हैं. This box is a happy box, okay? This is my have a holly jolly Christmas decoration. ये covers, pillow covers है ये. So it's written mistletoe kisses and holiday wishes. So pretty, right? It's from H&M. Obviously, I've got 2 of them. Then this is my new Coach bag, which I have not got to use yet. As you can see, खोला ही नहीं मैंने अभी तक. This was given by Aways. I'm so thankful. Even that I've got such gifts in my life. And इसके अंदर मेरा pink color का bag है. Yay! And these are my home slippers. So cute. Then these are again my new home slippers. Cute. I'm going to show you my new puffers. So look at this. This is my black puffer which I got last year. As you can see, I've never used it. मैंने सब जमा करके रखा है for this huge one unboxing haul. मैंने 1 साल से नहीं लेके रखा. मैंने सिर्फ कुछ कपड़े 1 साल से लेके रखे. ये मुंबई है. मुंबई में होता नहीं है कुछ भी. और मैं स्टाइलिंग के लिए भी यूज नहीं करती. So this is a very nice puffer. And then same one I have in pink, which I love. Okay, so I have black and pink in that. Then not only that, I have huge one. This is my favorite. Am I seeing? Look at this. So cozy, right? This is so pretty. It's a crop top puffer jacket. This was also 40% off. It's all brand new, never used. I'm going indoor, so this opening package was perfect. Now I have new night dresses. Top, जहाँ से मैं नहीं लेके आ रही हूँ. So this is a heart pink night dress. Then this is a strawberry pink night dress. It's going back in. These are my heels. This is my birthday heel. What dress? Oh my god, it's my purple toy. This is the messiest unboxing. How do you climb up there, sit here without any junk, and then you unbox everything, and at the end you show, oh my god, look, I've unboxed so much. We unboxed this. Very fancy. Oh my god, these are all covers. Like they are all brand new. I love these. इसके अंदर भी कपड़े होते हैं. We'll put this back in because we don't want to take it. We need space to open more boxes. Let's open this one and see what is there in this. Why would you do this? Why? Why would you do that? इतने से के लिए. I'm telling you, I'm obsessed with gold. Look at my roti container. Look at this. Rotis are going to go in this. Wow. Not only that, there's a gold kitchenware. I'm so excited. मैं ये सब कैसे शूट करके तुम लोग को दिखाओगे एक-एक चीज? Because this is insane. 10 साल चला जाएगा ये सब शूट करने के लिए. But finally, so let's see क्या सेट आया है फूड का. Because हम लोगों ने कप्स मंगाए हैं. I'm telling you ना, bowls से लेके प्लेट्स से लेके. This is a pretty jar जिसके अंदर cookies कुछ भी रख सकते हैं. तो ये ऐसे 4 है. You know the drill. You have seen these before. Yay! कहाँ इसके ऊपर रखो. That was gonna fall. Again, the same brand. We have too many packages from them. This is all kitchen. Again, this is set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me show it to you. Pups का हो गया, pans का हो गया, but that's not it. Home center होना चाहिए यहाँ पे ही कहीं. मैंने pink pans मंगाए, pink and gold. This is so pretty. See, it's gold and it's white and it's textured. This texture is literally the same texture as my mirror, which is gonna come soon. Okay, I see home center. I see home center. This is the last box from the same brand. What is this? Let's open this one first. ये कोई set नहीं है, सब अलग-अलग है. Stop! They gave me the wrong color. No, I ordered it in purple. Yeah, what the hell? This is what I was so excited for, and they gave it to me in white. Should I keep it, guys? It's so beautiful. She is gorgeous. I don't like this. I ordered this in purple. I think I'm gonna try and return it. Hopefully the policy is there of return. यार ये कितना बड़ा disappointment था. I was so excited for this. Shut up. Oh my god, look at the quality. Look at the beading. Can you see it?
नहीं.
Best. This was the best. It's shiny, it's very good white. I love it. इसमें बहुत कुछ है guys. I don't think I ordered 2 hard bowls. Oh, I maybe did. Good for me. This is the second one. Oh my god, this is going to be my favorite dish ever. I'm telling you, I am opening great boxes at the end. I hope you're still here, and I'm guessing this is going to be a second part video. This literally is the best boxes that I've opened, the most interesting ones. Enough of buying sad shit. Look at this bread plate. It says good day. It literally has writing good day. Look. Now let's open another one. You know, if you want such cute heart bowls and everything, you can shop from them. It's like a bale. Oh my god. It's so pretty. It's so deep. I can have my sauces in it. I can have my soup in this. Triple chicken Szechuan fried rice. So they always give soup. That soup can be in this. That is so pretty. All of this is so good. Like this is the best. मैं रुकी थी तुम लोग को दिखाने के लिए. इसके लिए मैं open नहीं कर पा रही थी. Why is there a third bowl? This is again the same red heart third bowl. I didn't order it. Or maybe I did. Good for me. Because you can't return all of this now. Let's see what this is. इतना कुछ order किया है मुझे कुछ याद नहीं है कि क्या क्या है. Okay, so these are different heart bowls. Okay, they are not the same. Those are the deeper ones, and this is more of like a plate. Look at this. Yeah, and there is one more. So there are 2 of these. So my friend can also enjoy a heart. And put it in the box. Hopefully I've got everything. I've showed you everything I know. Oh, there's one more. I've not showed you. ऐसे कितने मिस हुए हैं मेरे साथ boxes. Check करें. This is my ramen bowl. I was so excited for this. Tell me this is not the cutest. Look at the side also. Look at this. I'm gonna have my ramen in this. Shit, she is very pretty. So pretty. We are done with this box. My black pant. Look at it. It's white.